Class 8 Maths. Topic is finding square root by division method. Let's take an example. Let's find the square root of 529. Now to find the square root of 529, first step we have to do is place a bar over every pair of digits starting from the digits at one place. If the number of digits in it is odd, then the leftmost digit 2 will have a bar. Thus, we place the bar from one's digit. First pair, this is first pair and this is second pair. Write 0 to make the pair. Now, check 2. Find the largest number whose square is less than or equals to the number under the extreme left bar, which is 5. So we know 2 square is 4 and 4 is less than 5. So write 2 as divisor and the quotient, and 2 square is 4. Write 4 under 5. Now subtract 4 from 5, we get 1. And bring down the number under the next bar to the remainder, which is 29. Now double the divisor. Divisor is 2, so double of 2 is 4, and enter it within the blank on its right. 2 into 2 is 4, so write 4 here. Now guess the largest possible digit to fill this blank, which will also become the new digit to the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equals to the dividend. So if we take 2 with 4, we have to multiply it with 2 to get a number less than or equals to 129. So 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8. Now check for 3. Multiply it with 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 3 is 12. So write 3 here and also in the quotient and 129 here. Now 129 minus 129 is 0. So square root of 529 is 23. Let's do one more example. Square root of 4096. Now to find the square root of 4096, put the bar from one's digit. First pair is 96, second pair is 40. Now think of a number whose square is equal or less than 240. So 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. So 49 is greater than 40, so we can't take 7 square. So 6 square is 36, so write 6 as divisor and the quotient, and 6 square is 36, write 36 under 40. Now 40 minus 36 is 4. Now take next digits under bar with this remainder. Now double of this quotient 6 is 12, so write 12 here. Now think of a number by which you will multiply it to get 496 or less than 496. So if we take 3 with 12, multiply it with 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 6, 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 3. Now take 4, 4 into 4 is 16, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 into 1 is 4. So write 4 here and in quotient also, and write 496 under 496. Subtract it, we get 0. So square root of 4096 is 64. Next question, find the least number that should be subtracted from 5607 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So let us try to find the square root of 5607 by long division method. First, make the pair from ones digit. So first pair is 5, 6 and second is 0, 7. Now think of a number whose square is less than or equals to 56. Now 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64. 64 is greater than 56, so we can't take 8 square. So take 7 squares, write 7 as divisor and quotient, and write 7 square is 49 under 56. Now 56 minus 49 is 7. Take next bar digits with 7. Now double of 7 is 14. Write 14 here. Now with 14, think of a number by which you will multiply it. We get the number less than or equals to 707. So if we multiply it by 4, so 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1, 17. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 576. Now check it for 5 also. 5 into 5 is 25. 20 plus 2 is 22. 5, 7. Now 725 is greater than 707. So we can't take 5. Now write 4 here and 4 as quotient also. On multiplying it, but we get 576. Now subtract 576 from 707, we get 131. So remainder here is 131. It shows that 74 square is less than 7607 by 131. So this means if we subtract the remainder from the number, we get a perfect square. Therefore, the required number is 5607 minus 131, which is equals to 5476. And square root of 5476 is 74. Next question, find the least number that must be added to 1300 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So first find the square root of 1300 by division method. Make the pair. So think of a number whose square is less than or equals to 13. So 4 square is 16, which is greater than 13. So take 3 square, which is 9. So write 3 as divisor and quotient. 3 square is 9, write 9 under 13. Now double of 3 is 6, write 6 here. And 13 minus 9 is 4. Now take next pair carry. Now think of a number with 6. By same number multiply it to get 400 or less than 400. So multiply it by 6, we get 6 into 6 is 36. 36 plus 3 is 396. So write 6 here and here also. 396, subtract it, we get 4. Now the remainder is 4. this shows that 36 square is less than 1300. So next perfect square number will be 37 square, which is equals to 1369. So hence the required number to be added is 37 square minus 1300. So 13,7 square is 1369 minus 1300 is 69. So 69 should be added. And the square root of 1369, which is a perfect square, is 37.